You're not supposed to end 2025 like this. Too much wasted time. Too many days saying, I'll start tomorrow. But here's the truth. 2026 can still become the year everything changes. Not because of motivation, because of action. Step 1. Remove the noise. Your comeback starts when distractions lose control over you. Stop trying to fix everything at once. Remove one thing that wastes your time. One app, one habit, one distraction. Right now, remove one thing that steals your focus for the next 24 hours. Step 2. Win the first hour. Most people lose the day in the first hour. Wake up, drink water, move your body. Do one important task before scrolling. Tomorrow morning, avoid social media for the first hour. Step 3. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Growth feels hard. That's normal. Do difficult things on purpose. Study when you don't want to. Exercise when you feel lazy. Start before you feel ready. Pick one task you've avoided and work on it for 20 minutes today. Step 4. Focus on one goal. Too many goals create confusion. Pick one target, one skill, one mission, one thing to improve. Write one goal and track it for 7 days. Your comeback doesn't begin when you feel ready. It begins when you stop waiting. Start small, stay consistent, and build proof that you can trust yourself again. Comment your goal below. Start today, and subscribe if you want more videos that help you level up in 2026.